Seascour is the marine world's first 100% organic descaler and degreaser. In this video, we're going to show you how easy and safe it is to use Seascour. In less than 15 minutes, any crew member can set up the basic process to treat many onboard systems, including coolers, condensers, or any other onboard systems that are subject to buildup or fouling. For today's demonstration, we're aboard the American Victory ship in Tampa, Florida, USA. We'll be running Seascour through the Reefer system. This system has tubing that moves from the compressor into a seawater heat exchanger, which cools the pipes. The calcium carbonate plates out in the tubing, creating significant buildup that affects the functionality of the system. For the materials, we're using a standard reservoir to hold this Seascour, a basic funnel, an adjustable wrench, adjustable pliers, and two 8-foot hoses. Specifically for this flush, we've gotten a simple 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch converter to work with the regular hose fittings. All of these materials can be purchased at any hardware store or your local marine supply shop. Seascour is safe to use with copper, magnesium, aluminum, rubber gaskets, steel, iron, glass, and many other materials. Since Seascour has no VOAs or VOCs, you'll notice that we'll be using it in an area with very little ventilation and with no special safety equipment. For this demonstration, we're using 5 gallons of Seascour for the flush. We start by filling the Wheelhouse Turbo Junior with our supply of Seascour. Next, we remove the plug from the Reefer system. Then we install the 1/2 inch pipe nipple with the pliers. Then we use a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch converter. Finally, a 3/4 inch pipe to a 3/4 inch hose converter, and then the hose is attached. We then run a line from the discharge of the system back to the reservoir. The next step is turning on the wheelhouse system. Seascour works great through general immersion or application, but is even more effective with a bit of agitation. This 3.3 GPM motor works well for this purpose. Now we let it run for 1 hour. And we're done! The Seascour has already done its job. Now all we have to do is unhook the wheelhouse and replug the Reefer system. The used product is completely safe to discharge directly overboard with no neutralization required. Seascour is Florida's first 100% organic marine scale and growth remover. It's completely non-toxic and fully biodegradable. We proudly protect the 3 E's: equipment, employees, and the environment. Incredibly powerful at removing scale buildup, yet 100% safe to use on board. Safer for the crew and less time at dock. Sustainability is key. To learn more about Seascour, visit us at seascour.com. We look forward to speaking with you soon.